So once again, the services of the Maverick are needed to properly analyze this controversial moment in the Monday night football fixture between champions Arnett Gardens and Montego Bay United, where Mobile United goalkeeper Jacomina Barrett clearly headbutted Arnett striker Fabian Reed in this mini goal line skirmish. And the common cause seems to be that Barrett should have been red carded for violent conduct and a penalty awarded to Arnett Gardens, and that the referees made a big blunder. But have no fear. That is why the Maverick is here, to help you to analyze the incident and come to some rational conclusions. Now, in fairness to the referee, Odette Hamilton, she was out of position on the play, and obviously she did not have the benefit of slow motion replays and various television camera angles. So what I like to use to settle these cases is the lifetime action, which the referees use to make their decision in that instant. And so, looking at the full coverage of the incident, lifetime and on slow motion replays, even though I remain in favor of keeping the players on the park and allowing them to decide the game, the evidence in this case is overwhelming. The headbutt was too blatant and should have been punished. The issuing of the yellow card make it worse, because from them see the incident and a card come out, it should have been a red card. And there is no excuse for 4 referees. Those are 8 eyes with 20/20 vision. At least 1 or 2 of them should have seen the incident. Big blunder by the referees. Thank God Arnett Gardens won, and all is well that ends well. But this was a bad miss by the referees. But before we adjourn this case, I just want to say that our criticism of the officials have nothing to do with the fact that this was a female referee team. Nothing like that. If it was a male team, a donkey team, or a monkey team, would have criticized them same way. This was just a poor decision. Case closed. Maverick out.